Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, we will talk about why you may be seeing this error in Apple Pay when trying to send money or make a payment. Why is happening right now? Let's find out. If you enjoy this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. First, I will open Google and search for down detector Apple Pay. Then I will open the first website. As you can see, the outage graph is very high, indicating that many users are reporting issue. You can also see reports of login problem and several others issue. This means that Apple Pay is currently experiencing a server outage or a temporary technical glitch. So there's nothing you need to do on your end. Just wait for a while and the issue should be resolved automatically. Okay.